Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can host a website on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in one of my sites, but I'm going to go ahead and go into my dashboard. I'm going to create an entirely new site to show you guys how that is done. Once you're on your dashboard, you just need to click Create Website if you already have one. If you don't, once you log in for the first time, it'll, make you create a website first. So just go ahead and click Create a Website. This will open up the creation menu where you can fill out this questionnaire pretty much just to get you some specifics on what template or what type of template would fit you best. So I'm just going to skip these. You can easily skip these if you want to completely customize everything. I'll just go ahead and do that. You can build it with AI, just give the AI some certain instructions on how to build it, or you can browse templates. I'm going to go into templates, and here you can select whichever template you would like. I'm going to go ahead and select, I don't know, it really doesn't matter. I'll select this one, and once you select it, you can change the color scheme immediately if you want to. I'll just keep it on the default since I think it looks the best. Then click Start with this design, and then it's going to go ahead and put you in the website editor. Now, this is where you're going to start hosting. This is what your site will look like. This is where you have to edit your site appearance. You can just close this down. This, as I mentioned, is where you'll edit what your site looks like. You can go and browse through the pages, change whatever you want, make the appropriate changes if you so choose. But what we're going to do to actually start hosting this and to make it go public, to publish this, you do need to have your own domain. So just go into the settings, go into domains and email, click on domains, and then click get a domain. You have your built-in domain, but you cannot edit it and you cannot put off the privacy protection if you want to. Now, this is currently blank. I don't know why it is, so I'm just going to go ahead and refresh it. It might fix this. It might give me some specific options. Actually, I'm pretty sure you need to add a title to your website before it gets you domain. So, for example, I'll just add my tutorial website, and it should give me some domains. As you can see, this is what it looks like. There are some domains that are on a sale, so you can easily pick up these. For example, some specific ones can go up to $70 per year, depending on the website extension, but as you can see, most of them are $20 per year, with this one, the .com, being at $14 per year as sort of a promotion. So you can just click on that and then enter your payment information, and once everything is added, you can go ahead and purchase it, and then you can go through the domain options and make your site public. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.